Welcome back to part 2 of my Selfridges visit. As I go down to the lower ground floor, take a wander through the chocolate department and trying to find the access toilet. Hello, where are the lifts, please? Okay, thank you. There's obviously more than one set of toilets on the lower ground floor, but it would be really helpful if they could indicate where the access toilets were on this particular location. They have some lovely homeware and cookware on the lower ground floor, and it's so easy to move around. Nice wide spaces and smooth floors. There's lots of room to come into the toilets. It's okay for me, I can wheel there, but if you've got someone accompanying you, it's a long old trek for them. It's great having access toilets, but it would be nice if disabled people could open them. You have to book ages in advance to see Father Christmas. You can see the barriers on the right where everyone has to queue, especially at the weekends and in school holidays. Is this Cinderella or Rapunzel poking out from her castle? Again, all the aisles are really wide, so you're going to have no problem navigating the toy department. There are some really special staff in this store. Now, before anyone thinks I've completely lost my marbles with that 5 Rainbow Staff Award, remember that was for the outstanding individuals you've just seen. Unfortunately, elsewhere in the store I encountered quite the opposite. There seemed to be an epidemic of staff huddles, counter-leaning and mobile phone scrolling. I'm not going to name names because there were simply too many examples, but keep an eye on the footage and you'll spot them throughout the store. For a retailer of this calibre, I expected staff to be a little more focused on customers and a little less interested in their screens. It really was quite shocking, something that I noticed repeatedly throughout my visit. Gordon Selfridge would be wringing his hands in horror. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Did you find the store to be like this? Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you may have even learnt a few things. Please like and subscribe. It won't cost you anything, but it helps me to make more videos for you. See you again soon. Take care. Bye.